Yes, this is me after the flight, guys. It was amazing. I felt like I was
A bird.
yes, a bird. I could see everything. It's beautiful. Like it's
You will see it will look very fast, but it's not.
okay.
Okay. So now the engine is dead. Okay.
All right.
Okay. One foot against the front of the other one.
Yes. Oh, what happened? What did I do?
You went to sit. You didn't run.